Hi and welcome to my channel. All crypto related videos that will be posted here will be as short as possible in order for all of you to understand better how to use it properly. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe, press the like button, share this video to others as well, and select to be notified. Thank you very much. In order to properly understand the idea and the principle behind any chart characteristics or any indicator, first of all, do a little research yourself. Do not hesitate to do that, okay? Go on Google or go on Wikipedia like I'm showing you. Type on the search bar the information that you require. Learn the definition, okay? The definition and the characteristics of each indicator, each stuff, okay? And after that you can apply it on a chart. Do not skip this step, it's very important and will help you in the future. And Investopedia is not sponsoring me, so you can use any other website that you want. I gave it just as an example. Okay, so ADX, Average Directional Index, stands for the strength of the trend. If it's over 25, okay, it will be a strong trend, even if it's for an uptrend or a downtrend. Very careful about this, okay? So if the ADX is going up and the chart is going down, that means that the downtrend is massive, okay? So if it's above 25, it's a strong trend. If it's above 50 or 75, oh my god, depends on the situation. So place a few lines on the chart and lock them so you won't lose them. 25, 50, 75 and the last one for 100. It helps you to have a better view on the chart. So you don't have to enter the chart specifically, you can view it with others as well. So correlation with RSI, MACD and I don't know, medium averages. Okay, you can have a look and place them. If you want to place a line and the chart is not showing you, you have to right click on the chart on the right side and you have there an option, auto scale, and you can move the chart freely. As a special feature, I will start posting a chart analysis per day for Ethereum and Bitcoin, signals like where to buy and where to sell, so don't forget to subscribe and smash the like button.